Alright, well this is the dashboard area. I'm going to show you how to update the the website for Bishop Jack Vaughn to add a new sermon. So first thing you'll do is come down to the sermon area on the sidebar right here. The sermon, once you click on it, opens up a couple different menu options, several different menu options. The first thing you'll do is add a sermon topic. So that's basically a new message which you'll title right here. Once you have a title, just scroll down to the bottom to add it. You'll see it gets added to the right side. You can then edit to add an image, which you can then select from your library, or you can select from the computer hard drive and search for it like that. So once you have the new sermon message updated, you'll click the update button, which saves it with the image that you selected. Then you would come into the sermons area to go ahead and add the audio files. So right now we are building this one right here, turning the hearts, and we have part 1, part 2, and part 3. So we'll go ahead and add part 4. So if we were setting up this one, since it's already set up, we didn't do it, but we'd come into sermon topics, and the name of the sermon itself is called Hearts in Transition, and then we're putting part 1, 2, 3, 4 into that. So we come back to sermons, and then we're going to add another part. So we're going to add part 4 to that same series. So you're going to click on Add New. You're going to title the message. Then you're going to choose a date. And this one was actually on March 27th. Then you're going to scroll down to find the file, and you can click on Upload File. And again, you can choose from your hard drive or from your media library. What I did is I went ahead and uploaded these into the media library, which just makes it a little bit faster for me to work with. Go ahead and copy this URL and click on Use right there. This screen will come up kind of blank, but just go ahead and close it, and you'll paste the URL that you just copied into this file area, this field. And then there's only 2 more steps. You're going to choose the preacher. If you just go ahead and type in a little bit of it, you can choose the name from the drop down, which is already in there. And then the name of the series is called Hearts in Transition. So we're going to just type in Hearts, and again it's going to pop up the rest of it, Hearts in Transition. Once you've selected these two, it tells the website where to place that audio file that we're going to upload. Then you would just click on Publish, and just wait till this wheel kind of goes around there, and you can go to the front side. You'll see we have part 1, part 2, part 3. So when I refresh, we should then see part 4, and there it is, part 4. Click on it, it'll start playing on the front side. So that's how you would add a new message, and we're identifying the sermon topic as the series, or just the title of the sermon, since we're dividing sermons into multiple parts. And then the sermon itself right here is where we go in to add a part. And in this case, we're actually calling the name a different title from the series itself. So the series is called Hearts in Transition. I call it series, but it's categorized under sermon topics. Alright, that's how you update a sermon and add it to the Bishop Vaughn site.